Hello everyone, welcome back. So in this video we will write a program to implement linear search. Okay, there are different algorithms for finding element in an array, and linear search is one of them. Okay, so in linear search what we are going to do is suppose we have an array like this. Okay, we have 5 elements in an array, 2, 4, 0, 1 and 9. Okay, and let's say the user is giving a value. For example, let's say user is giving a value k equal to 9. Mhm. So in this case we have to search whether this number 9 exists inside the array. Okay, so that's the code that we need to write. So in linear search what we do is we just go step by step. Okay, so in the first step we'll just see if this element is equal to 9, and if not we go to the next element, we check if this is equal to 9. Similarly, so in step 3 we will be here, step 4 will be here, and finally in step 5 we find that the number we are looking for is at this particular position. Okay, so what we need to do is we will say that okay, the element have been found at this particular location, right? So that's what we are going to do. So let's start writing the code. So so this is going to be our 9th one. So touch code 9.c. okay, and now we'll just open the file, right? Okay, so we'll comment program to implement linear search. Okay, so we have our normal things, hash include stdio.h, and then the main function int main. Okay, so here also we need an array, and we need to enter the array also. So I'll just copy paste from the previous code we had. Okay, so till here everything's going to be the same, so I'll just copy paste it to save time. Okay, and we might not need sum over here, so and we won't need the average also, so I'll just delete them. So here we say enter the number of elements, and then we get the number of elements, we store to n, then we say print enter the elements, and we run a for loop and get the elements one after the other. Okay, so now we have our array, and now we need to get the number that need to be searched. Okay, so we'll just say printf enter the number to be searched. Okay, to be searched, and here we'll just scan for the number. So we need another variable over here, so I'll just say num, and I have to declare there. Okay, so now we get the number that we have to search, right? Now we need another for loop. Okay, because what we are going to do, so we got this number and we have stored that to the variable num. So here instead of k I have actually stored that to the variable num equal to this one, and now I have to loop, right? I had to check if this is equal to the first element, then second, third, etc., right? So I need a for loop. Yeah, so I'll start another for loop, right? And here I have to search if each of this element, okay, so ai, that will be the element at I equal to 0, 1, 2, 3, etc., and I have to search if this is equal to the number that we are going to find. Okay, and if that's the case, then I have to print that number found at, we'll just print the position, okay, where we have found the number. Okay, so that's an integer that we are going to print, and we'll just go to the new line. Okay, so here we'll just say I plus 1, because we are going to say the number have been found at position 1 instead of saying position 0, right? So we'll just say I plus 1. And so if the number is in the array, this is good. We can just search, and we can say the number have been found at this particular position. But suppose we are giving a value, let's say index example, let's say we are going to give a number of value of num equal to 10. Okay, so in this case it will search at elements 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and even at the end of the loop we do not have the result. Okay, so we have to give an output that the number is not found in the array. Okay, so we need some kind of mechanism to identify that whether the number have been found or not. Okay, so for that we can simply use a flag. So here we'll change the value of flag to, let's say, 0 or something. Then if you're using flag, we have to declare that also. So in the beginning the value of flag will be 1, and if this condition is true at any time, the value of flag will be changed to 0. Okay, so if we do that, we can identify whether the element have been found or not. Okay, so and if flag, we can actually write if flag, or we can also write flag equal to 1. Okay, so if you write a variable here, if the value of that is 0, then that condition is false. For any other value, the condition will be true. Okay, but yeah, just for the simplicity, I'll just write the flag equal to 1 itself, and here I will say printf number not found in array. Okay, so had the number been found, the value of flag would have been changed to 0 from 1. So in case the flag value of flag is still 1, that means this condition was never satisfied, or which means that the number we gave did not exist in the array. Okay, so that should be sufficient, and let's return 0. Okay, so that should be our code, and now let's save and compile it. So gcc code 9.c. okay, so no error, good. And yeah, let's just keep it simple. So again, number of elements to be 4, so let's say 10, 20 30 and 40, and let's say we need to search the number 30. So here it shows that number found at position 3. Okay, so that's good. We'll just give another number which is not in the array. So again, the array is 10, 20, 30 and 40, and let's say we are going to search for 50. Okay, so that also is giving a output number not found in the array. And let's try once more by giving similar numbers. Okay, oh sorry, okay, I started with 10, but okay, anyway, let's just give 10 numbers. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again I'm going to give 4. Okay, and now I'll just give 8, 9, again 4, and 6. Okay, so I have given 4 multiple times, right? So now let's just for the number to be searched, let's give the number 4 itself. Okay, so here yeah, we can see that so the 4 was found at position 4, then at position 6, and then at position 9. Okay, so you can just cross verify it from here. Okay, so that should be the code, and I hope it's clear. Thank you.